What? I swear to God right now, I am going to fucking lose my mind right now if you guys won't stop.
39 and west of Range Gate 64 and east of the north evacuate immediately. All residents within 2 kilometers of the evacuation zone must prepare to evacuate.
An evacuation center has also been set up at high level.
Documents, medication, food, water and supplies for at least 3 days. Valley evacuation zone must prepare to evacuate.
I knew it's that.
Drayton Valley. There is an out-of-control wildfire.
Oh God!
Valley. Follow the Brazil County 64 and east of the north system.
Shine. Ah.
60. Temperature steady near.
I am having a mental flick.
Conditions of Fredericton in southern North County, New Brunswick at 2200 Atlantic Daylight Time. Cloudy. Temperature 5 degrees Celsius. Humidity 87%.
Is you kidding me? You have to be kidding me. How many times?
Alberta emergency alert. Parkland County has issued a wild.
Not Parkland!
This alert is in effect for everyone west of Rage Road 65 near Entwistle. There is a wildfire near the hamlet of Entwistle. Everyone in the area west
in the Edmonton region is expected to be lifted Friday, with temperatures dropping to close to average by the end of the weekend. Still to come, fire in Alberta,
It's Parkland County again!
Non-stop news.
Food and water to be away from home for at least 3
MTV!
Take pets with you. Everyone must evacuate to the reception center of 5130. This is an Alberta emergency alert. Parkland.
I'm not gonna catch a break.
530 to
That's another one!
Today wildfire alert. This alert is an
Sunshine's just...
Always loving and eating.
Yeah, Sunshine...
All things positive. All
Oh my God. That's not a station anymore.
including all residents.
Oh my God, a new station!
Evacuate immediately.
is brought to you by James H. Brown and Associates.
65 near Entwistle. Waiting. Call 78020.
Panthers leading the Leafs 3-2. Been a good game, Leafs with a lot of pressure. Bobrovsky's been doing great.
Holy freaking goodness. This is the waterboats!
Immediately. Gather important documents, medication, and enough food and water to be away from home for at least 3 days. Take pets with you. Everyone must evacuate. Township Road 530 to Highway
Look at this.
16.
This one doesn't activate. Yeah, of course! This is dumb. This station is a flipping stupid one! I thought Parkland County had enough, but nope. Parkland County's back under a wildfire alert. The other one I captured is actually out of control of a wildfire. Jesus Christ, this is insane. This is wildfire insanity. Oh wow! As soon as I just stopped recording! As soon as I just stopped recording! As soon as I just stopped recording again! This is the third and heck of it wide.
This is an Alberta emergency alert. Yellowhead County has issued a wildfire alert for west, northwest, and southwest of Brazeau Dam.
Hello?
The fire is southwest of Brazeau Dam. The evacuation area is bounded by Elk Ridge. just
to
past
reiterate, we
Brazil
will
River
be
on the
shortening our
south,
15-minute
and T
break
Road
down to a 5-minute break
145 on the west.
in
Anyone
between
in the area needs to evacuate.
Forensic technology and
Investigations are being done. This fire primarily affects oil and
Wow, as soon as I just stopped recording. It's cause it's Yellowhead.
Go to Yellowhead County's Facebook or
Come on!
www.county.com.
CHQT!
More accountability for more people, and whether that is through the
East on Elk River Road to Highway 620. A map of the evacuation zone.
That's the station?
Evacuate the area. Call 1-833-334-4630 for information.
Oh, that's playing station. Okay, at least that is not copyright music that WX324 is playing. Okay. Oh my gosh. As soon as I stopped recording! My goodness. This is Canadian Insanity 4. Wildfire craziness. This is... wow. They just issued it 2 times. What the hell? I am so gonna lose my mind. If they issue another one, as I stopped recording again, I am so going to lose my mind, okay? Are you kidding me?
622-4412 for assistance.
224412 for assistance.
Okay, OTFM, finally you woke up from the dead. Finally woken up from the dead. Yeesh Louise right now. Another one in Alberta. Oh, now this is bad. Fox Creek is in this. But stations in Edmonton may not receive them. I can't tell. We're just gonna have to see. Nope. Nope. Where is it?
Skip the staycation.
Stop!
A lot of honey in that area.
Oh my god.
Order. This alert is in effect for Big Lakes County residents north of Township Road 734, east of Range Road 1.
I'm gonna scream again.
West of Highway 749 and south of Township Road 740. A wildfire is moving northwest through the Banana Belt area.
Road 734, east of Range Road 175, west of Highway 749 and south
Shut
of
the frick
Township
up.
Road 740. A wildfire is moving northwest through the Banana Belt area. If you are in the affected area, you must evacuate immediately. Gather pets, important documents and medication, and enough food, water, and supplies for at least 3 days. Everyone evacuating should go to the Elks Rodeo Hall north of the town of High Prairie at 74508 on Highway 749 to register. Bring RVs if you have them, as camping is available on site at the Elks Rodeo Hall. Stay tuned to www.alberta.ca/emergency alert and local media for updates.
Oh my god.
DC, May 6th, 2023.
Alberta emergency alert.
In effect for
Big Lakes County is issuing a wildfire alert. Locations impacted. This alert is in effect for Big Lakes County residents in the area west of Range Road 175.
Potential danger.
Township Road 734, east of Range Road 183, south of Township Road 742, west of Highway 749, north of Township Road 740. A wildfire is moving west through the Gilwood area. Since there is potential danger to life and health if you are in the affected area, you must prepare to evacuate with 60 minutes notice. Gather pets, important documents and medication, and enough food.
Look at that! How many of that?
And supplies for
Look
at least
at that.
3
1,
days.
2,
This alert will
3,
be updated if an
4,
evacuation is required.
5,
Stay tuned to
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
www.alberta.ca/emergency alert and
16.
local media for updates.
What the hell? I got the same question. How many is that? Hold on, I want to read that, but I'm gonna have to end this. Bye.
To Highway 624.
Wow, I can't even catch a break. My laptop is running out like a percentage right now.
towards
Holy
Plane.
frick!
Evacuate to Edmonton. Register at the Expo Center.
Oh, they're now making people evacuate to Edmonton.
Call C. If you need help evacuate to Edmonton. 54280.
Oh my god.
Everyone from Range Road 90 to Road 110
Nope.
between Township Road 480.
Jesus Christ.
621 must prepare for a possible evacuation, including
What the
Cynthia.
fuck?
Be ready to leave in 30 minutes or less. Follow Drayton Valley and Brizzo.
Whoa! Hello!
Alberta emergency alert. Brizzo County has expanded the evacuation area. In effect for Brizzo County.
They meant to, what? Hold the fuck up!
494 from Range Road 64 west to Range Road Nut.
Is this the station activation? Come on, I want this to activate. Sunshine doesn't activate. Subway series of fuck. Ah, come on, stop. Okay, what was that station I had loved about? There it is!
780-542-7777 everyone from Range Road 90 to Range Road 110 between Township Road 480 north to Highway 621 must prepare for a possible evacuation, including Cynthia. Be ready to leave in 30 minutes or less. Follow Drayton Valley and Brizzo County social media for most up-to-date information.
Oh. Oh god, this is happening again. FRW. Instead of putting the wildfire wood, I should put this as an immediate evacuation on the cap cut. Like you see this, if you see this here. Okay, shut up. Okay, as I was saying. You may notice I put down the text of an immediate evacuation. I'm putting this as black and I'm putting the outline this of green. So that's what I'm gonna be using on for now, so. But if it's like an expansion evacuation or if it's like a wildfire or what, I'll still put that there. Anyways, that's the reason why.